little artists! Today, we're going to draw something colorful and blooming, a beautiful rainbow flower. Are you ready to unleash your artistic magic? Let's dive in. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your black marker, and let's begin our floral adventure. Start by drawing a simple circle on your paper. This will be the center of our vibrant flower. Now, let's add some petals. Draw 12 petals around the circle, like rays of sunshine. Watch our flower bloom with each stroke. To make our flower pop, let's make those outlines bold and sharp. Give it that extra touch, and see how your creation comes to life. And now, the most fun part, coloring. Get ready to show off your rainbow skills. Grab your color pens, and let's add some vibrant hues. Yellow color for the center. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Look at that beautiful rainbow flower you've created. If you had a blast today, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more colorful adventures, and share your amazing artwork in the comments below. Until next time, keep on blooming, little artists. Bye for now. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.